Hi, Katie. I believe that a PDF was required. A DOCX document probably will never be in this class. The reason is that not everybody can open it easily, so you either copy and paste it or you add a PDF. Um, okay, so you're not sure. Either introduces the user to the portfolio or my resume. All right, so you could have added a lot more detail. It sounds like you're a little bit unsure. Brief and words like maybe and either are not what you're going to see in a design brief. At this point, you should have made up your mind and be very direct with your answers. I am going to show you um, another student's. Hold on, so you can see. So if you look at this one, you can see not only did she design it, but she has a lot of specific content. She's even included an inspiration example and her beautiful logo in here, and has listed every single thing she could add. So as you can see, yours is lacking a little bit. So that's your explanation for the grade. If you have any questions, let me know. And I highly recommend in this class that you not be so quick to post, especially with the milestones. You want to put a lot of effort into them because that's where all the main points are. All right? Let me know if you have any questions.